everybody, and good morning. Welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make something a little bit different. We're going to make a cod pie. We got a pound of codfish here, and all the ingredients are going to be in the notes below as usual. And we're going to make this easy and kind of on the cheap. I got two Cheaters pie crusts here that I'm going to bake. And we're going to top it with this puff pastry to make it nice and fluffy. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got the pie crust cooked. Now the first thing we're going to do is we are going to poach the cod in 1 cup milk and 1 cup heavy cream. Alright, after about 10 minutes or so, the fish is poached, and we're going to take it out and set it off to the side. And the reason why we poached it in the milk is because now the milk and the cream has a beautiful flavor of the fish. No need to waste all that delicious goodness, right? Alright, now what we're going to do as the milk and the cream cool down, we're going to add the salt and pepper. That's 1 tablespoon salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. And to that, we're going to add the 1 pound of spinach that I've thawed out and then squoze really hard in a bunch of paper towels to get as much of the water out as possible. Part of the secret to get this innards of the pie to set is we want to have minimal amounts of excess water in there. Okay, so the spinach was cold, and now it's going to set in there. We want to bring that mixture to room temperature, so join me then. Alright, so what we're going to do now that everything's been cooled down is we are going to add the cod in there, and it's smelling very, very tasty. And now let's add the eggs. We beat them up brutally, and we're going to add that in there. We're going to combine it well, and let's go ahead and fill our pies. I got 2 pie crusts that I pre-baked, so let's go ahead and fill it with this mixture of cream, cod, spinach, salt and pepper, and egg. Yeah, wow, there's going to be enough for more than 2 pies, that's for sure. But let's get some more fish in there. We want this to be cod-like. Okay, so that's how we're going to fill them both. Now let's go ahead and put the puff pastry cap on them. Alright, I got the 2 pies covered with puff pastry. On this pie here, I've used a knife and trimmed off the excess crust. On this pie here, I've just stretched and folded and tucked all the excess puff pastry, like I saw Chef Marco Pierre White do in one of his pies. Okay, I painted them with egg wash. Let's go ahead and put them in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, 2 delicious pies out of the oven after 35 minutes of baking. Let's let them cool off, then we'll take a slice. Alright, so the pie is ready. Let's show you how it firmed up and looks really pretty. Yeah, this is a quarter pie. Let's go ahead and take a try. It smells really good. You know, if you like cod, this is definitely the pie for you. And there's a piece of cod with the spinach and the crust. Very nice. And you notice I didn't add a lot of stuff. I wanted the flavor of the fish to come through. I didn't want to put in a lot of onions or garlic or things in it to stomp all over it. The spinach and the fish just fine by themselves. I thought about putting some shrimp in there, but I thought no, I just want the cod. And that was a wise decision. This is really good. Fish is so tender. Very good. And so now we have 2 pies. That's going to make excellent lunches for work. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all have a great day.